how to use 2Messenger in iPhone. If you want to use 2Messenger in iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, just make sure to launch the Messenger application, and one of my accounts is actually logged in right over here, right? So what I have to do from here is tap on the three lines option from the top left of the screen. Then you'll find a little drop down menu. Just tap on the drop down menu, and there you can just choose to add another account. You can see in my case I have added other multiple accounts, and if you want to as well, you can just tap on add account and you'll be able to enter the phone number or email or password. Then tap on the login option to log in to another Messenger account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.